If you clicked on this video, it means you want to tell a joke. Welcome to the McBoo family, where we promote love and happy relationships. I'm convinced that after watching this video, your girlfriend will be amazed by how funny you turned to be. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as more educational videos are still to come. Not every joke teller is a comedian. The relationship between you and a comedian is that you both want to make people happy. The difference is that a comedian wants to make people giggle their lungs out, while you only need to see a smile. Everyone can tell a joke, and a joke is very essential in a relationship. It helps remove the spirit of seriousness and encourages comfortability. Hence, there'll be openness. Before we get to the jokes of the day, hit that subscribe button, then the notification bell. If you've already subscribed, like this video and tell us what you think about the video and what you would like us to talk about in as far as making a girl happy is concerned. The last thing you have to do is to ensure you watch this video till the end to ensure you benefit to the best. As this channel is for educational purpose, feel free to DM my Instagram for private assistance and relationships advice. I'm not a professional advisor, but I'll advise you based on my own experience and what I learned from my research about relationships. Without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. The purpose of telling a joke is to make her smile. What funny to you might not be funny to everyone in the world. So don't make a joke that requires a certain level of information to understand, unless you are both familiar with the subject. For instance, one can say, "You are my Valyrian steel dagger, 'cause whenever I'm with you, all my problems go to sleep." This joke can make a girl blush and smile, but not every girl. She has to be a series fan and had watched the whole series of Game of Thrones. What I'm trying to say is, if you don't know much about her, just use general information to make your jokes. I have prepared 3 simple jokes for you that can be used anytime and to any kind of girl, and they will definitely make her smile. Let's get to the 3 jokes of the day. Let's ask for a kiss in 3 different funny ways. 1. Babe, I want to borrow something from you, but I'm not sure if you'll be willing to give it to me. She might be like, "What is it, love?" And you will be like, "I want to borrow a kiss. I promise I'll bring it back before you even notice it gone." 2. My love, we have been speaking English for the past 30 minutes. What about we talk in a different language? She would be like, "Which language should we use, babe?" She might also suggest another language. For instance, my girlfriend knows that I like Chinese even though I don't even know how to greet in Chinese. So she might say, "Okay, love, let's use Chinese." Then you will say, "No, love. They say kiss is a love language. What if we start a love conversation?" 3. Babe, I have to go now. So are you going to give me a kiss or you'll make me lie to my diary again like the first time we met? No girl will ever expect you to say that, so she will definitely smile. And if she is comfortable and funny enough, she might say, "I guess you have to lie again, love." Then you will know you nailed it. Take you kiss and go. Bonus points. You can also say a joke without speaking out loud. Using a funny face and childish moves in a romantic way can also be funny. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, but if you have, thank you. I'm sure by now you have liked this video and it's time for you to comment. Watch the next episode for more content like this. Thanks for watching. McBoo, signing out.